Let us evaluate this given integral. So we have here the integral of 2 over the square root of 2 minus 2x squared dx. First, we need to factor out the expression inside the radical sign. So we have 2 minus 2x squared. We know that we can factor 2, so we have 1 minus x squared. Hence, the given integral can be rewritten as the integral of 2 over the square root of 2 times 1 minus x squared. So dx. Now, we can simplify the square root. We know that if we have the root of 2 times 1 minus x squared, this can be expressed as the root of 2 times the root of 1 minus x squared. Why? Because if you have the square root of a times b, that can be expressed as the square root of a times the square root of b. So hence, we have the integral of 2 dx over the square root of 2 times the square root of 1 minus x squared. Okay? Now, we know that we can bring the constant to the left of the integral symbol. We have 2 over the square root of 2 integral of 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. And we can actually rationalize the denominator of 2 over the root of 2. So we can multiply it by 1, and that 1 is square root of 2 over the square root of 2 to remove the radical sign. So we have 2 square root of 2 over square root of 2 times square root of 2. We can cancel out the radical sign. So that would be 2, right? The square root of 4. Square root of 2 times square root of 2 is square root of 4, and that is 2. So we can cancel out this. So hence, we have the square root of 2 times the integral of 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. Now, we can apply the formula because the integral of 1 over the root of 1 minus x squared dx is actually arc sine, right? Arc sine of x plus c. So hence, the integral of this is the square root of 2 times the arc sine of x plus c.